The verdict is in for the trial we have been following for nearly 2 weeks. Preston Walls guilty on 1 count of murder. Dana Searles was in the courtroom and has more. Dana.
Stephanie, after 8 days of trial and about 2 days of jury deliberations, we do have a verdict in the trial against Preston Walls. Walls has been charged with second-degree murder in the killing of Rashad Carr. He was charged with voluntary manslaughter for the killing of Gianni Dameron. He was found not guilty for attempting to commit murder on Will Keeps, guilty of assault causing serious injury on Will Keeps, and he was found not guilty on criminal gang participation. Now, I was in the courtroom when this verdict was read. Walls was looking at his family the entire time with tears in his eyes, while his family also very emotional and crying throughout.
This is a time for prayer. This is a time to reach out to the families. This is not a time for violence. This is not a time to react, but this is a time to support both families.
Now, after the court was adjourned, I did speak with the defense attorney, Darren Page. He didn't want to comment on camera. He was too emotional. It's been a long 10 days for him. However, he did say that he is just heartbroken and horrified at the entire situation. He told us that he says exactly what he had to say in his closing arguments, that it's horrible that this is happening to these young kids and they have to go through this at such a young age. But he did commend the jury and said they did a great job in taking their time and deliberating and looking at every single charge throughout. So overall, a very emotional day for both sides in this packed courthouse. But for now, live at the Polk County Courthouse, Dana Searles, Local 5 News.
And Brayvon Tukes, who prosecutors said acted as the getaway driver in this case, will go on trial next month. A judge separated the 2 trials so Walls can testify in Tukes' defense. Walls reportedly told police Tukes was not involved in the shooting itself.